Hello everybody, today is January 8. Today we introduce your automatic KF94 fish shape mask packing machine. This machine is the automatic for edge sealing packing machine. We can check the finished sample. Automatically for size edge sealing and the hole punching, both the side hole punching. Okay, we can check the machine detail from the back to the head. For this machine, total have six hole, 6 parts to put the mask. It is this 3 stock is used to vacuum, and this 3 is to replace for the label to put the mask on in it. So it is to save the put the mask on the stock time, and it can automatically feeding the mask to the plate. You can see how total 3 layer for the mask running to the head, and the machine speed is 135 pieces in 1 minute. Okay, we can see here. This is the four side edge sealing. When the mask into the bag, okay, we can check. This is the hot healing part. The temperature can be 150 degrees. And this cycling is for the hole punching for the middle hole and the side hole. And you can see this for blade cut. To cut the long side, and this blade is go to cut three back together. And this is touch screen. This touch screen we have 3 kind of language: Chinese, English, and Korean. And this part is output package. You can see this finished sample. It's very good. And this machine with the automatic printing the data on the package on the bag. Okay, we can check the electric box. We use the 5-piece Huichan small motor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the Huichan PLC. All cable with the market tube. You can see. And you can check, this is printing the date on the bag. Also, this touch screen control the feeding parts. For the feeding parts, we use the 5-piece step motor, this size step motor. Okay, this is the finished machine whole picture. You can see the out shape.